Neem leaves. Neem is a tree which renders multiple benefits to human beings. It basically belongs to the Indian subcontinent. This versatile tree holds the history of being used for more than 4,500 years. The ancient documentation shows that back then, most of the parts of neem, such as leaves, seed, oil, fruit, etc., were used for various medical purposes. In India, neem tree is fondly called the village dispensary, meaning a medical clinic for a number of advantages it renders to the people. Its healing properties have been identified during the ancient period itself. Where to buy neem leaves? You can buy neem online or from any Ayurveda store. Health food stores and natural skincare stores are promising options. You can even pick some fresh neem tree leaves. How to take neem leaves? Chew 4 to 5 neem leaves a day or 1 to 2 grams dried powder 2 times a day. Neem weight loss recipe. Ingredients: fresh or dried neem leaves. Ensure that you buy them fresh or from the market. Water. Strainer. To rid the tea of small stalks of the neem leaves. How to prepare? You'll be required to boil the necessary amount of water depending on the number of cups you're making. Pour the warm water in a cup, which already contains a handful of neem leaves. Let the neem leaves soak in the warm water for around 5 to 7 minutes. You can also use powdered neem leaves to make neem tea. Remove the leaves by passing it through a strainer and then add honey or lemon if you feel to need to flavor it. Benefits: neem leaves are perfect to help you lose weight, especially around your belly. The flower has very potent properties that help improve metabolism and fat breakdown. Neem flowers have both anti-lipidemic and anti-diabetic properties that could be compared to the effects of the common anti-diabetic drug glibenclamide. When neem is combined with honey and lemon, it makes a very potent mixture that helps improve metabolism, get rid of toxins from the body, and improves immunity. According to Ayurvedic texts, lemon and honey have the capability to improve digestion and elimination of waste from the body, aiding in better fat burning within your body. Precaution: if you are trying to have a baby already pregnant, abstain from drinking neem tea. The tea has contraceptive properties, which could prevent you from getting pregnant. During your pregnancy, it could cause miscarriage. Avoid consuming more than 2 cups of neem tea a day, as it has the potential to suppress your appetite, in addition causing nausea as well as vomiting. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to make sure neem leaves are safe for you.